In this video, I'm going to show you how to add assignment to tracker in Notion. So there are various ways on how to create your assignment tracker in Notion depending on what you prefer or depending on what you need. But for this video, we'll be utilizing a table. So we simply go to the page where the assignment tracker is located. Let's say we're going to use this one, assignment tracker in here. When you click this, as you can see, this is the built-in template that I used for this assignment tracker, which is utilized using tables. Now, to add a tracker in here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply add a new section in here by clicking the add button. And once you click in here, to simply input the name of the assignment, let's say chapter 3, quiz in biology. Then in here on the course area, you can select your course in here. You can also add course, let's say biology. Then in type, you can do essay, let's say. Then in here on the due date, let's say we're going to use this specific timer in here. And you can also change in here the status, whether or not started, in progress, or done. Let's say done. Now we have successfully added a new assignment to this tracker. And that's about it. That's how to add assignment to tracker in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.